Okay, here we go. And this is my template PHP. The only thing that I can fix is the red folder and the web my account. But I think looks good. I just want to also fix this space between each part in the page. But well, this is my template on my home page. I try to put and improve the code in that part. Home CSS, adding flex wrap or justify content, display flex, but I can't put the folder in the right place. So well, I try. My navigation bar is working. This is the recipes and this list and my folder in this part. My responsive design, I just want to add or change the size of the letters here, but I think looks good in the different. Let me show you. For example, here. Well, this is my work. Thanks.